I had a hard time driving by these logs after work today and not getting them on the sawmill, so here we go. I remember I joked yesterday's video about going back to work so I could relax, but I got my butt handed to me today. I'm kind of sore and tired, but I want to get at least one of these logs sawed up into 2x6s and see what we end up with. Now, we've got almost 19 inches and just about 17 and a half. So we will we'll square this up into a cant. Yesterday when I decked these logs, I put it so that the small end would be towards the saw head, which is what you always want to try and do. That way, if your log has taper, if you start at the small end, you know you're going to stay in the wood all the way down. So I always try to get the smaller end towards the saw head. I need to fill up my water bottle and get ready to start sawing. Life was easier with the mini hoe. Oh, she's heavy. I don't know if that So I ended up with 16 nice 2x6s, 18 feet long. I've got 2 that have a little bit of bark on them, little wane. They're not too bad, I'll probably use them. But with the 16 good ones at Home Depot, that's just over $250 worth of lumber. So I'm going to saw up this other one tomorrow. I have a viewer coming over tomorrow with, I believe, a maple log, and we'll see if he will let me film that. But I will see you guys soon.